Pertama, optimization problem. Support vector mentions SafeMash are a powerful machine learning algorithm used for classification and registration text. At the head of SAFE lays an optimization problem that seeks to find the optimal hyper that best supported the data intro in the class. Defining the SAFE optimization problem. Number 1, maximum margin. The goal is to find the pipeline that maximizes the descent. Number 2, constraint optimization. The optimization is subject to constraint the ensure the data point are classified on the right side of the helpline. Number 3, hit dimensional space. MC would be mapping that data into a hyper-dimensional vector space where that class perform more linearly available. Objective function of the SVM optimization problem. Maximized margin. The object function seeks to maximize the market by the headline and the hot data point of each class. Minimizing the north of the warm headline is a simple and generalized as public constraint by labels. The objective function is correlated by that class labels of the data points, ensuring they are correctly classified.
Constraints of the SVM optimization problem. Correct constellation. The constellation ensures that X data point is on the correct side of the hyperplane with a margin of at least 1. Handling non-linearity. In the case of nonlinear decision boundaries, the constraint can be adapted using the kernel trick to work in higher dimensional feature space. Soft margin. To account for noisy or overlapping data, the constraint can be relaxed using soft margin, allowing for some misclassification. Solving the SVM optimization problem. Number 1, convex optimization. The SVM optimization problem is a convex optimization problem, which can be efficiently solved using techniques like quadratic programming. 2, dual formulation. The problem is often solved in its dual form, which introduces large, multiple, and simple files to completion. 3. Interactive algorithms. Algorithms like sequential minimal optimization (SMO) are used to efficiently solve the dual problem and find the optimal hyperplane. Kernel trick in the SVM optimization problem. Polynomial kernels. Polynomial kernels allow SVMs to learn nonlinear decaying bundles by mapping the data into a higher dimensional polynomial feature space. Radial basic function or RBF kernels. RBF kernels map the data into an infinite dimensional feature space, enabling SVM to learn complex non-linear decaying boundaries. Sigmoid kernel. Sigmoid kernel can be used to train SVMs that behave similarly to multiple perception, allowing for nonlinear neural network like Dixon's bundle.
Submargin optimization in the SVM optimization problem. 1. Rigid memorization. The standard SVM optimization problem assumes that all data points can be perfectly separated by a Hertzmergen. 2. Submergence. Submergence optimization relaxes the constraints, allowing for some mixed clearance and improving robustness to outliers and noise data. 3. Regularization. The submergent optimization introduces a regularization parameter that controls the trade-off between mergence maximization and maximization tolerance. Selanjutnya, article consideration in solving the SVM optimization problem. Hyperparameter tuning. Careful selection of hyperparameters such as the regularization parameter and kernel parameters is crucial for the SVM performance. Computation efficiency that queries like the sequential minimal optimization SMO algorithm and the as of special rich library live SVM help make SVM training efficient. 3. Scalability. SVMs can be adapted to handle large-scale data sets by leveraging techniques like sparse metric, resolution, and parallel processing. Conclusion and key takeaways. 1. Powerful classification. The SVM optimization problem lies at the heart of ugly effective machine learning algorithm for classification and regression tests. 2. Geometric intuition. The SVM optimization problem can be understood intuitively in terms of maximizing the margin between classes in a geometric vector space. 3. Reliability and robustness. The SPM optimization can be adapted to handle nonlinear decision boundaries and noisy data through the use of kernels and submergence.